Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian. Today I am going to paint over a canvas that I did last night that turned out terrible. I scraped it 4 times, really unheard of. I'm not sure why colors were not working yesterday, but we're gonna take another crack at it again today. Sometimes you just don't get what you're looking for, and it's probably best just to put the paints away and don't paint anymore. So after a good night's sleep, some rest, thought about the colors. I'm going to redo the painting I did last night. And I might show you what that looked like last night. But in any case, I've added some colors. I've taken out some colors. So let's see how this comes out. So let's get started. Okay, so what we got here is a 20 by 20 canvas. I tried to do yesterday a white base and various colors of pink, and it did not come out right, so I scraped it 4 times, and I ended up getting this nice little lavender color, which you see here, which is dry, and guess what? That didn't work either. So I decided to scrape that yet again. And this time I went with, I decided to scrape it and just let it dry overnight. And so I did a couple of different designs and it just wasn't working out. I tried a line like here and a branch and a branch. And maybe the branches weren't working because of how small the canvas is. I mean, 20 by 20 is not small, but I think maybe for what I was trying to do, that might have been. Also, I got this cute little blow dryer I found at the thrift store. I mean, it's just a tiny little thing. And it's got 2 settings. It's high and then a low. There's really not much difference between that high and low, so I got to be careful how I blow this out too. So I think what I've decided to do is I'm going to start down here and I am going to make kind of like a Y, but in a not as traditional Y like that, but in this angle. So let's see how this comes out. Hopefully this will be a better result than last night, because last night was just terrible. So all right, let's get going here. So what I do fear is wondering if my white's going to cover over top of this lavender color. We shall see. Also, I thought maybe I could have been putting on too much paint last night, so my base was too thick. I don't know. I honestly don't know. I have not been at a loss like that in a long time. When I first started doing this type of art, you know, I had a lot of mishaps. Things just didn't work out too well. But you know, it's a learning process, a learning curve. We'll just touch up the sides here. So this is my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. All right, so using a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. I'm going to use Amsterdam's Caput Mortuum Violet. It's kind of an eggplant color. Amsterdam Quinacridone Rose. DecoArt Iridescent Violet Blue. I'm sorry, Pebeo, not DecoArt. DecoArt Metallic Pink Tourmaline. Amsterdam Persian Rose. And Amsterdam Quinacridone Rose Light. And that's probably my dogs you hear there in the background. Probably the mailman. All right, so let's go ahead and pop all the air bubbles. I mixed this white last night. Mixed a bunch of white last night, actually. All right, so I think what I'm going to start with this time is, let's go. All right, so we decided to go down here and then split off. Yeah. See, something's happening again because my paint is starting to sink into the white. Everything is mixed the exact same way, so I don't know what's happening here. Hopefully, comes out okay. No. Just really want to get a nice pink piece. I think it would look really nice. A lot of paint on here. Pop the air bubbles. So I'm hoping because I'm using the smaller blower, I will have smaller petals and it won't take over. So I'm going to start here with this branch and then go that way. Okay, much better than last night. This is more what I was looking for. So I think maybe last night I had too big of a blower because it was just eating up all my negative space, and now I've got good negative space. All right, what I do want to do. Okay, much better. Very pleased. I'd like to see this go over just a little bit. good. Okay, I like this. All right, let's torch this, get the air bubbles. All right. We'll take you guys down, let you see, and then we're gonna scrape the edges. All right, we'll be right back. Okay. Here it is. Got lots of little cells, which is really cute. This purple really pops in there too, which is funny because look at all the here. Just beautiful. Okay, so what do? As always, we want to scrape the bottom edges. Got to get all the drips off the bottom. There we go. Oops. Okay. So you guys don't need to see me do all that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to scrape the rest of the edges, and I got to touch up the other side. But what we'll do is once this dries, we'll put it up on the wall and see how it looks. And then after that, we can put a coat of crystal resin on it. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell, then you'll get notified when I post a new video. All right, guys, we'll see you soon. Bye. All right, here is the final result before putting any crystal resin on it. It's very pink, got the shimmer of the purple, really came out nice. And it's got small cells, and yeah, the purple, it looks a little dark in the video. It's a lot lighter in person. The pinks really coming out really dark, so. But I like it. So I'm gonna put a clear coat on it, and then I'll show you what that looks like in another video. So if you like what you see on my videos, just remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell so you get notification for every time I post a video. And again, if you would like to purchase this piece or any other piece, you can email me at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.